Guangzhou ORIO Technology Company Limited is located in Guangzhou, China, with an investment of 10 million yuan. It is a manufacturing enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales. Since 2018, it has passed ISO 9001 certification and CE International certification, and has obtained 2 national invention patents, 23 utility model patents, and 6 appearance patents. In December 2020, it was awarded National High New Technology Enterprise honorary certification. ORIO Factory has 1 operational R&D center, 2 assembly workshops with 6 automated production lines, 1 hardware workshop with 27 sets of various equipment, machine tools, and punching machines, 1 injection molding plant. The workshop is equipped with 5 injection molding machines and 1 mold room processing center. The supporting of the whole industry chain has made ORIO have the ability to provide customers with the stable product quality, the competitive product price, the fastest delivery capability, and the most considerate service. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. ORIO products are sold to more than 50 countries and regions, and rank first in the market share of many countries, and many world brands have reached in-depth cooperation. We are a reliable supplier of roller shelf, shelf pusher, cigarette display, wire shelf, display rack, and so on, retail system products.